anyone that lives after the rapture must have the mark of the beast to be able to buy or to be able to sell. And anyone that takes the mark of the beast, you renounce Jesus, you become a property of the beast, the devil, and you will not make heaven according to scripture. And the scriptures cannot be broken. Now, I'm not going to argue the scriptures with you. I know God is the God of love. So people say, but God is a good God. God is the God of love. Why? God understands. He doesn't understand why you should take the mark of the beast, because that is compromise. And as we go ahead, we go along, you'll see. Now, those who refuse to take the mark of the beast will only make it by becoming martyrs for Jesus. You'll be beheaded. They will kill you. And it's going to happen. Now, I told you that 60 prophecies has been fulfilled. We are left with 14. One of the